If your idea of web design is still a 12-column grid and a stock hero section, congrats, you're designing for 2012. It's 2025, and the web has evolved into something between an art gallery and a fever dream. Here are 5 web design tips to level up instantly. Let's go. 1. Navigation that isn't navigation. Forget clicking links. Sites like Steikovka turn the whole page into one giant canvas you zoom around like Google Maps. It's fast, smooth, and makes normal menus look like Windows XP. 2. Layout disruption. Normal scrolling is dead. Sites like Mischief throw text sideways, diagonally, sometimes backwards, just to make your brain hurt. It's not a bug, it's a feature. And yes, it forces you to actually pay attention. 3. Macro animations. Forget button hover effects, the entire site now moves like a Marvel movie trailer. Active Theory basically turns scrolling into directing a film. Your mouse is the camera, your GPU is crying. 4. Smart video. Screenshots are boring. Apple's macOS page uses tiny, purposeful videos that only play when you scroll into them. It's like product demos built right into the layout. No autoplay noise, no buffering hell, just smooth flexing. 5th, handcrafted vibes. In an AI-generated world, messy is cool again. Good Kid Studio uses doodles, rough textures, and quirky motion that feels human, not copy-pasted from ChatGPT. Imperfection is the new perfection, and that's it. 5 tips shaping web design in 2025. Bookmark this, steal some ideas, and please stop shipping cookie-cutter hero sections.